Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville BES 900 XL espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the three-way solenoid, the one that you see right here. This one unfortunately was buzzing. And we also descaled the machine. This one was very hard to descale the machine. We basically had to put descaler in there. Then we had to drain the boiler with using one of our contractors over here and another water pump to help and remove all that descaler from the both of the boilers, brew boiler and the steam boiler. So it took a while for the machine to get descale. One of the things that we could not get rid of was the service message that you get on the machine at the beginning of when you turn it on. That's the only thing that we could not get rid of. We did service the machine by descaling the whole boilers, making sure that the water level probes are free of scale buildup and they're completely clean. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. This machine has 6 seconds of pre-infusion, so it's gonna take a little bit for the machine to kind of get the pre-infusion and then get to the pressure of the machine itself. Then we're gonna test the hot water and then the steam. There you go, now it's building up some pressure. Hopefully I pick up the right ground settings for this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. 3. I probably put a little bit too much coffee on it, as I always run manually. Yeah, I did put a lot of coffee, as you can see. Show you the water flow of the machine. Again, 6 cycles of infusion, or pre-infusion. And as you can see, beautiful shower flow coming out of the whip head. Now for the hot water, working perfectly fine, nice steady stream, hot as well. And now for the steamer. As you can see, powerful, having good pressure, working excellent. And there you have it, probably working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.